everyone, this is Cindy of Create the Heart, and I'm back with a share as well as a little tutorial. So what I'm sharing today are these little sleigh boxes. Now this is a sleigh die from My Creative Time. Here it is right here. And it comes with all these other little pieces. I just basically just used the sleigh. Right here, I used the sleigh. And so it cuts out the sleigh and it gives you some pieces to decorate it. You could place this on a card. You could put presents in it. It can be very cute. Now, when I bought it, they showed an example of basically a box that you can make. So you basically would cut your sleigh die out twice, and then you would use their box die to create a box. Now, I found that I can't remember how much the sleigh die was, but I thought it was reasonable for what you got. But the box, to make the box, which is a very simple box, that die was $21. So I think this die was like 20 something. So, I mean, just to be able to create this project would cost you almost $50. So I'm like, this is a really simple box. I'm going to show you guys how you can make this box so that if you have a die like this, you purchase this die or any die that's similar, you can create your own box very simply, and then you can fill it. So here I have, I mean, you could just put candies in it, but what I did with these, because these are going to be going to my, they're going to be to my students, I just put a gift card and some candy, and I have it like this, and it's just going to be, you know, decorating the table. So that's what I'm making. So let me show you how to make the box. If you have this die and you want to make this exact box for this die, this is the measurement for that. Now, if you have some other die, then you might have to play with the amounts that I'm giving you, and you know, but the basic style is the same. So to make this exact box, you cut your paper at, I'm using a scratch piece of paper, 5 by 3.5. Then you score at 1 inch all the way around. Okay, so then you fold on the score line. Okay, like that. So on your short pieces here, you can see it creates a square. So, I mean, there's different ways you can make this box, but this is the way that is easiest for me. All I'm going to do is make lines at this end and lines at this end. So the way that I do it that works for me is these ends attach like this. So I'm going to take a little score tape. You can use whatever adhesive you want, but this is the quickest for me. And I put some tape at the end, one on each side. Yeah, like this. So, like this. So then you take your tape off, and then you just attach the end like this on this side. Attach the end. You of course will make this much neater than I'm doing because I'm showing just quickly. And then you've got these pieces like this. All you do is put some adhesive, excuse me, at the top of the flap here. And then I put one at the bottom, but it probably would stay just fine without it. And then you just take your adhesive off. Here, and sorry, off camera a little bit. And then you just fold this up. And then you do the same here. I'm just going to put adhesive on the top here just so that I can close the box. But you could put adhesive all over or just on the top and the bottom, however you wanted to do it, depending on how sturdy you wanted it. And there you go. So then all you have to do is attach your sleigh pieces on both sides. I just used score tape, but you can use whatever adhesive you want. And now you've created a simple box that didn't cost you anything at all. And this is roughly the same size, I think, as the box that you could purchase for $21. And you can easily make this for nothing, for pennies. So I highly recommend the sleigh because the sleigh is really, really cute and it's very versatile. I mean, you could use it on a card. It doesn't have to be used as a box. But if you decide to use it as a box, you want to make it as a box, then you can create your own box and save the $21 to buy something else really cool. So anyway, I hope that you enjoyed the project and that if you do have this die, I'd love to know if this little box worked for you. Thank you very much. This is Cindy with Cricut the Heart.